In this tutorial, I will show you how to use Canva Presenter View to run a smooth training session on Zoom. First, open Canva and log in. Click Create a Design and choose Presentation. This ensures your slides are properly formatted for screen sharing. Pick a template or start from scratch. Add your content, including headlines, visuals, and key points. Now here is the important part. Add speaker notes. At the bottom of each slide, click Notes and type your talking points. These notes will only be visible to you in Presenter View. Once your slides are ready, go to the top right and click Present. Then choose Presenter View. Your screen will now show your current slide, your notes, a preview of the next slide, and a timer. Before going to Zoom, do a quick test. Practice clicking through slides and glance at your notes to get comfortable. Now open Zoom and start your meeting. Click Share Screen and choose the Canva window that is in Presenter View. Zoom will give you options. Select the portion of the screen that shows only the slide, not your notes panel. This way, your audience sees only the presentation while you still see your notes and controls. Speak naturally and use your notes as a guide, not a script. Keep an eye on the timer to stay on track. That is it. Canva Presenter View helps you stay organized and confident while your Zoom audience sees a clean, professional presentation. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more quick Canva tutorials.